Lights, camera, action.
Good morning, guys. We are from Mechanical Engineering from Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University from Gandhinagar, and we are here at Dubai for our international exposure program at the Curtin University Dubai campus. It is basically an Australian university, and we are very grateful to our university for providing us the opportunity to this very excellent international exposure program. So we are here now at the Curtin's University Dubai campus, and we are very excited for our first day, and we have three guest speakers for today. Their names are Dan Atkins, John Salazar and Jerry Gombe. We are very excited for their speaking.
भाई उठ जा। भाई डे 3 हो गया, उठ जा। उठ उठ जा।
Here we are seeing a supersonic ping pong ball which works on the principle of pressure difference using a motor and a valve. The motor is used to create a high pressure region, and once sufficient pressure is created, the valve is opened, and as a result, the ping pong ball travels in the supersonic speed from high pressure to the low pressure.
Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all good and fine. Now I'm going to talk about the Dubai Electricity and Water Supply Station. This is our first industrial visit in our international exposure program. Let us move in.
Guys, welcome. This is the key milestones of Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Here we have many equipments. Those are related to history of how electricity was generated, how electricity was supplied in the whole Dubai, and how electricity is currently being supplied in Dubai. Also about the water supply. Here in Dubai, they do not have fresh water. They only have the sea water. And here we are going to see that how the seawater is being treated and that is supplied to the citizens of UAE in Dubai.
Solar panels can go more than that, but it is very, very expensive. Like the multi-junction solar panels.
This is an amazing device. I think you should know about this. Here, this is the starting point. From here, it detects nothing. Then, it detects the different kinds of waves. Right? So, where I'm standing right now is radio waves. Then it's microwaves. Then it's infrared waves. This is all visible light. See, you can see it's changing the color in front of me. It's green, it's blue, it's large. So I guess large is the last one. Then we are going to UV rays. The next one is X-rays. And the last one is GR.
Good morning, guys. So we are here today for our second industrial visit in UAE, Dubai. So this is the Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park. This is a pretty awesome place. I've never been to such a place. Like, it's not just an innovation park. It is a hub for everyone, for students, for businessmen, for latest entrepreneurs, and everyone. It is a very great opportunity for everyone residing here, studying here, doing business here, everything. So the main attraction here, which I liked, was the VR session. Like, it was the latest technology for overseeing the operation and process being done in a factory. Like, all the pipelines and everything can be monitored via VR system. And the another thing we overseen was the concrete 3D printing and other 3D printing processes. They were like pretty awesome. The labs were pretty clean, and we have never seen such a lab over here.
Various labs which we visited in the Innovation Park. The first one was the VR lab, where they gave us various information about the latest technology in virtual reality. Then we visited the laser cutting section of the Sol lab, after which was the textile lab, where we saw some of the latest machines in the sector. Then we went to the additive manufacturing section of the lab, where there were several 3D printed models showcased before us. Then we went to the first 3D printed house of UAE, after which they took us to the site where aquaponics and hydroponics farming methods were implemented, which eliminated the use of soil. And lastly, we saw a high-speed mobile developed by U-Sky Transportation and had a great discussion about it. Then we came back to the hotel and called it a day.
Introduced with Apple Workshop, we have introduced with how the Apple Store is different from other store, focusing mainly on environment, and introduced with the products and services, and gave the hands-on experience of the products. The experience was amazing, and then we went to Abu Dhabi.
I welcome you all, guys, to the Masdar city here. This is the first sustainable city. It is an experimental city and the first one in the whole Gulf. So, what is an interesting fact over here? The buildings are not too heighted. They are of short height and they are very close to each other, which creates a whole large amount of sunshade between two buildings. And this helps generating natural coolness and reducing the heat effect and providing the citizens or residents or tourists over here a very good environment to roam around. So another good point over here is the buildings are in a cluster shape and there is an empty space in between. Just as so you can see over here, there is an empty space between the whole cluster of that orange building, and inside that there is natural greenery planted and also some place to sit, and people can socialize over here. So this is also a very good point for the people coming over here and interacting with each other. guys, I literally don't want you all to miss out this amazing experience. Just watch it and you will be very amazed. It's super exciting, and it's the first time I am sitting in an autonomous vehicle. Literally, it's an amazing technology, and I just feel so proud that I am here, and I'm thankful to my university.
Today we went to Austria-based Hertz company which manufacture different type of valves for chiller cooler system and heating system like DRV, FRV, three-way valves, etc. In UAE, they have the export office and they export the valves in South Asia and Middle East countries. Overall, the session was very knowledgeable and helpful.